Hey everyone, my name's Crypto Jamie and welcome to my YouTube channel where I aim to bring you all of the latest news, reviews and all things crypto and Web3. First and foremost, a massive thank you for finding my page. Welcome, and every single day I'm going to be uploading you a daily video. Now if you do like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video and of course drop me a comment. I will answer any questions that you have and of course bring you the latest and greatest content. Anyway, introductions are over, let's get into the latest crypto news. I mean, where else can we start but of course having a good look at the charts. Now, at the time of me making this video, Bitcoin is sat at $27,429, which in the last 24 hours is a decrease of 0.63%. Ethereum is currently sat at $1,820. In the last 24 hours, this is down 1.15%. Now, if you are a fan of Ethereum, be sure to listen up because we've got a very interesting news story coming up later in today's video. At the time of me making this video, BNB is sat at $311, and that is up 0.18%, so slightly up, congratulations. And of course, one of my favorite tokens at the moment, yes, slightly biased, but I do love BitGet. The BGB token is at 49 cents, and that is up 5.6% in the last 24 hours. So congratulations to anybody on those gains. Now let's move on to something that I really do like. Now that is crypto bubbles. You're probably wondering, Jamie, why the hell do you like crypto bubbles? Crypto bubbles for me is a free tool, and this isn't a promotion, this isn't anything like this. This is a great piece of kit that I've got to say I really like. It's very visual and shows you whatever you need to see within the crypto charts. You can have it from the top 100 to the top 1000, and I just love how it's just in front of you. It really helps me with my trading. Anyway, as you can see in front of us, PEPE is down 14.6%. It has been leading the charts. It's been everywhere. If you've been listening to any of the latest crypto news this week or seen anything on any social media, the word PEPE has been everywhere. We are going to come on to that slightly later. As you can see, Hex is up 11.1%. Like we said earlier, BGB, which is BitGet's native token, is also up 5.6 to 5.7%. GMX up 3.3%. But let's have a look at some of the losers. FTT, who the hell is still buying it, is down 4.1%. The Trust Wallet token is down 1.6%, Doge down 1.1%, and Matic down 1%. Now I urge you, go and check out this resource, it's free, cryptobubbles.net, it helps me every single day, and we'll cover it every single day too. Now, Ethereum Validators have earned $46 million this week thanks to the meme coin frenzy. Now when we say meme coin frenzy, of course this has been dominated by PEPE. In fact, over $1 billion worth of value in its market cap was thrown through it. This is crazy. I don't understand. We know what crypto culture is around the meme, around the community, around the sense of fun, but this week has been absolutely nuts. And clearly with a lot of these being based on the Ethereum network, there has been some huge winners. Now, validators have seen the earnings surge up to 46 million in a significant increase that can be, attributed to exactly what we just spoke about. And the previous figure suggests a 40% rise from the week before, just thanks to meme coins. The week before it was sat at $33 million, which is just absurd. You can just see the sheer amounts of money being thrown around within the space. So clearly, there's not just some winners on these meme coins, which is frankly gambling and being very lucky. We are seeing that, within the network, you're seeing validators also being rewarded because clearly some of the gas fees this week have shot right up. A lot of the volumes have shot right up throughout the week. It has been absolutely crazy. But congratulations, if you're involved in this, you made some serious cash. And of course, if the timing was good and you gambled the right way, then you will have made money on some of the meme tokens. But I really want to get the message, approach with caution. It is gambling. I don't care what you say. These meme coins, they're not going to be around in 10, 15 years time, or the majority of them on maybe 0.00001% will sustain, but the rest, invest in utility. Come on, be smart. Anyway, let's move on. Anyway, Scam Alert, a popular influencer, is in the headlines this week for selling over 2% of his supply onto his followers. Now, this is an article in You Today. Now, unfortunately, the crypto market, it's not a stranger to scams, but we need to be aware of what they are, and we need to be educated on how to spot them. Now, when you do invest in something, I urge you to head on over to BSC Scan, Etherscan. Each network has its own version of these, and just check who's holding what. Anybody can see this when you buy a token. I'll follow this up with a video so that you can really understand how to do it, but have a look at it. Now, one of these influencers goes by the name of Danny Crypt, and he's been alleged to have pulled the rug from his followers. Now, this is very, very strong language in this article. Now, he's accused of receiving 2% of his token supply for marketing purposes and then dumping the majority of the tokens on his followers for profit, which was around 31 Ethereum at $57,000. Now, as you can see, Zach XBit has pretty much brought this to light over on Twitter, and if you are interested, I urge you to go over at Zach XBit BT over on Twitter and find out more about the story. But it's great to see the communities really putting some research in and having a look how creators are being responsible or irresponsible. Now, the next story that I really wanted to come on to was Coinbase. Coinbase has come out and called PEPE a hate symbol, promoting calls to boycott the exchange. I mean, listen, the hate symbol, I mean, let's have a little look at this in a lot more detail. An email was sent out to Coinbase customers describing PEPE as a hate symbol co-opted by alt-right groups, and this has drawn an absolute outrage all over social media. People hashtagging cancel Coinbase, delete Coinbase. People have gone crazy on there. But why? I really don't understand. So PEPE, which was issued around 3 weeks ago with a comically huge supply of 420 trillion tokens, has been leading the meme coin activity. We've spoken about it several times within this video already. And the token is based on PEPE, the frog meme, which first surfaced on the internet nearly 20 years ago as a comic strip character, and over time it has co-opted as a hate signal by far-right groups, according to this email. Interesting. Now, people are coming out and they're being outspoken about this. They don't believe it. They believe that PEPE was built for a bit of fun and that this is just absurd that Coinbase would even suggest this. And as you can see by this tweet above my head, I will be closing my personal and business accounts with Coinbase and moving them to another exchange. PEPE is not a symbol of hate. So as you can see, there's a huge push around what is going on here. It is just crazy. I think Coinbase have absolutely lost the plot here, but let's see how this goes out. I certainly won't be using the hashtag delete Coinbase, but I think it's a terrible decision. What do you guys think? Now, I really want to come on to the main story that I wanted to cover today. Exchanges, more and more of them are requiring mandatory KYC. Meaning that you must provide your personal details to these exchanges before you can withdraw or even place a trade from their network. The most recent one of these is ByBit. Now, on the 8th of May this year, they introduced compulsory or mandatory requirements to KYC. This comes in the same week that we are seeing HMRC, who is the tax person in the UK, if you don't know, announcing plans to be able to seize Bitcoin and cryptocurrency assets from exchanges, which just drives me absolutely insane. The fact that the HMRC are willing to do this and are going into the crypto, it goes against the core principles, it goes against the core beliefs of what this entire space is about. I am pro-regulations, anti-KYC. I do not believe that users should have to KYC. I believe that developers, creators, and anybody recruiting people into the space or building should provide that information. Let's keep this space right. Let's keep it key to its principles, key to its cure, and not lose sight on what we are about. Be sure to stay informed. Always stay up to date with all of the latest news. I've got to say, I have really enjoyed making this YouTube video. This is the first of every single day me posting here on YouTube. If you would like to see me cover a certain topic, be sure to hit it in the comment section below. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscriptions, and most importantly, let's go.